We're up to no good again, aren't we, baby? Well, speak up. You're my co-star today, aren't you?
Okay.
Okay, how old are you? Good. What's your first name?
Christine.
Christine. Now, what are we to do today?
We're blowing up airbags with water. And water.
That's right.
And gas. And
gas, as you can see. Another Saturn airbag. And what do you have to donate for this explosion?
Shrapnel.
Shrapnel?
Apnel.
That's not shrapnel. That's apnel, right? Okay, dump her in.
Alright. See what happens, this airbag I donated.
Hey, you good for some bobbing?
I'm good.
Okay, let's dump some gas in. And we got a big audience, all with beer bottles and cameras.
I wouldn't get too close. They only do it.
And Leahy's here too. Okay, airbag in this illicit concoction of apnel and dirty water. It's bubbling, but it's sinking. I hope it landed right side up. No, a little gasoline for some peripheral action. Good enough. We don't want to waste too much.
So we don't light anything else on fire.
And we need someone to film this beyond the event horizon. You see, I'm going to be with the event horizon, within the event horizon. That means I could die. We need at least someone farther away to film this from beyond, so we have at least someone who survived to at least show the world.
But Dave's immortal, though. Going for a early evening cruise. Hoping he doesn't sink. Sink it, Jay!
Jay, I think you're sinking.
Is he gonna sink? I hope so. Oh! Oh man, the barrel jumped! Woo!
It must have been upside down.
Cool!
I can't believe that barrel held up.
Check that shit out.
That makes me feel better.
Sizzling in the water. Can you hear it?
I was starting to think you brought a piece of crap, Brad. I got another one.
Steven.
That sucks. I was looking through the video camera. I wasn't looking through my, like, seeing it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I've seen
Yeah,
her.
I was thinking that.
The bigger one.
At least the barrel's still one piece.
Yep.
Look at the apples.
Apples everywhere, water everywhere.
Actually, hey,
A little bit of fire.
Less water is better. Hey, maybe that's too much water for it to lift. Stop. Maybe less water is better.
Let's get that bucket higher in the air. Now.
All right, as you see down there, the driver's side airbag didn't do too good of job. So now we have a passenger side which has got more explosive force. Throw that in the water. This time we're going to use less water just to see if it makes a difference. Let's dump some gas on again. You go get it.
Shrapnel.
Okay. Good enough for me. You have our igniter person nearby?
Yeah, right here.
How are we going to get that ignited?
Right here.
That'll work. Okay,
There's our
everybody
victim.
way out of the way.
A little bit to left.
Good. Okay, here we go.
You're in front of the camera.
In front of my camera.
Oh!
Oh! Flew those apples right to the pond.
Did it actually stay on fire?
Yeah.
It did? Oh, my car isn't burning. That sucks. I like a hot car. A car that's so hot it's on fire.
We can make it burn.
Oh, look. That displaced a lot more volume.
Big airbag. Holy crap.
Much more volume.
Holy. Barely get out.
You want to hold my sack?
Bobby.
Bob?
I'm not bobbing for apples.